The HairMax Ultima 12 Laser Comb is an FDA-cleared laser phototherapy medical device for the treatment of hereditary hair loss. The Ultima 12 Laser Comb delivers nourishing laser light energy to your hair follicles, providing a safe and effective hair loss treatment you can use in the comfort and convenience of your own home. We're going to show you how to use your Ultima 12 Laser Comb correctly so you can be sure you're getting the best possible results. To charge your Ultima 12 Laser Comb, connect the power cord into an electrical wall outlet and the other end into the charging socket located on the bottom end of the device. You can also charge the laser comb by inserting the power cord directly into the charging cradle. The battery indicator on the charging cradle will light up green. Then, simply place the laser comb in the cradle to begin charging. The indicator light on the power button will flash red while charging. A full charge is indicated by a steady red light. Within 2 to 3 hours, the device will be fully charged and ready to use. To turn on the Ultima 12 Laser Comb, press and hold the power button until the blue light on the bottom turns on. Next, press the laser button. You will see the red lasers turn on. The device is now ready to use. Place the laser comb flat on your scalp, making sure that both rows of teeth are touching the scalp. The patented teeth mechanism parts the hair to ensure unobstructed delivery of the laser energy to your hair follicles. Now, gently glide the laser comb over your scalp, moving it about a ½ inch every 4 seconds without lifting the device off your head. The Ultima 12 Laser Comb will beep at 4-second intervals to let you know when to move the device to the next area for treatment. To deactivate the beep, simply press the laser button once. To reactivate, press the laser button again. The information display on the front panel of the Ultima 12 Laser Comb shows the elapsed treatment time. The outer circle represents the number of seconds of use, and the number inside represents the number of minutes of use. Move the laser comb slowly from the front of the scalp to the back of the head, and then repeat the process, this time starting at one side of the head and combing through to the other side. Repeat these steps within the recommended 8 minutes of treatment 3 times a week. To turn off the device, press and hold down the power button until the indicator light turns off. Place the Ultima 12 Laser Comb back into the charging cradle for easy storage and to keep it charged for the next use. If the battery starts to lose power during treatment, the battery indicator light will blink slowly. Rapid flashing indicates the device needs to be recharged. If a low battery occurs during your treatment, simply plug it into an electrical wall outlet and continue. When finished, allow the device to fully recharge. It is important to keep your Ultima 12 Laser Comb clean and free of residue. To clean the teeth, remove them by sliding them toward the top of the device and gently pull out. Wash using plain soap and water. Clean the laser window with a moistened cloth. Do not use any soaps or detergents, just warm water. When the teeth are completely dry, insert them back by aligning the guides and sliding them down until they lock into place. It is important to use the Ultima 12 on a clean scalp. Any buildup of gels, sprays, or oils can block the light from reaching your scalp. Experience significant new hair growth and all of the benefits of HairMax's laser light treatment by using the Ultima 12 Laser Comb as directed 3 times a week. We hope you'll enjoy all the hair growth benefits of the HairMax Ultima 12 Laser Comb for years to come. Life is better with a great head of hair.